Great English speaker should be able to express so well that they can paint a picture in the mind of the listener when trying to describe something or someone. Are you struggling with that? Don't worry just yet. English gives you the right tool to do that. You can effectively deliver your thoughts using similes. Similes help compare a situation or person to another thing that has the same quality to make the description clear and extremely interesting. Let's take an example. We often use sentences like, Angelina is so brave, or Angelina is very, very brave. It's like we try to express something, but we're unable to do that clearly. Well, similes will help you to do exactly that. So instead of using such vague sentences, we could say, Angelina is as brave as a lion. Not only will this make the conversation snappy and sparky, but the listener will easily understand how strong Angelina is. So let's get to it. Our first simile is, as ageless as the sun. This can be used for someone who always looks young or never seems to age. An example of a sentence would be, look at you, sister. It's been 10 years and you are as ageless as the sun. The next simile is, as colorful as the rainbow. This one's quite self-explanatory. So let's quickly look at an example. After the painted cartoon characters on the school walls, the school looked as colorful as a rainbow. The third simile is, as busy as an ant or bee. A sentence would be, I'm busy like a bee right now. I have 5 projects to complete today. Let's move on to the next one. As changeable as the weather. This simile is used to describe situations where things can change multiple times. For example, right now every plan is tentative and changeable like weather. Now on to the next one. As cool as a cucumber. This simile typically describes someone who is calm and composed. An example could be, despite everything that has happened in her life, she is as cool as a cucumber. And our final simile for now is, as deep as the ocean. An example could be, her eyes were as deep as the ocean. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Hit like if you did and subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell to get notified of new videos instantly. I will come back with more videos on similes and how to use them in sentences.